In this video, you'll learn how to change the region of your Google account on your computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So it's actually very easy to change the region of your Google account. All you have to do is navigate to google.com inside your browser, so you can also do this on your phone. What you'll then have to do is go to the top right and click on your profile picture. Then once you're in here, click on Manage your Google account. Then go to the left and click on Personal Info. Then in here scroll down a bit until you see Addresses, and right here you can click on Home, Work or Other Addresses, but we'll choose Home. And right here you can change the region of your Google account, so you can just type something in or you can choose it on the map as well, but we'll just type in, let's type in Great Britain, click on Save. And right now you can click on Done as well. And now we've changed the region of our Google account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.